Hey, today we're gonna be doing a montage. What the? What's it say? My name is Gorilla 8444. I don't know. But we're doing Gorilla Tag montage in the brand new map. Not the brand new map, but it's not snowy anymore. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pop
I want to join my clan.
in here.
You now! What do you mean, JJ?
Let's go. So we're going in third person. So now you could basically see for the first time in. Oh dang it, I missed the target.
Bro. Yo.
Oh, come on.
I have played these games
I'm
before.
Gorilla Tag.
Dang, this dude
Is this a competitive or a default rivalry? Oh my god, yo, that's wrong. You guessed correct. That's why you told mom. That's why
They have long arms doesn't mean that's the reason I tagged them. It's called skill. It's not about the arm one.
I know, but you get last one.
You got an advantage.
I let you run. Why would you pick the whole thing?
I ban up today.
No, I'm good.
Why do I fail on my route? Like,
Hey, that was awesome.
why do I fail on my route? Who's even the tagger?
You figure it out.
I can't mess up on my routes. Or I'll die. I mess up on my route 24/7.
Is the tagger bad?
No.
You could say so.
I could tell if he's bad or good.
Not
No,
anymore.
the tagger is absolutely
No,
great.
I
He's
got
like the
myself
best in the lobby. Yeah, see? Let's jump there.
I just got myself hit.
See, he's the best in the lobby.
Who?
The tagger, the cowboy hat guy.
I don't know what you're talking about. My head's blowed out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's definitely the best. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, what's the turn?
Bro, I'm about to change my mind.
Oh,
Every time you have to do something.
hey.
I am. Oh yeah, I'm untagged.
I didn't even change my mind yet, but
Got you. Cat fight. Yo, Kaibar hat, why aren't you in competitives?
purple.
Yeah, why?
The light purple.
Heads.
Light purple.
Why aren't you in competitives?
Who wants to be in my video?
You should go run competitive instead.
Nope.
Bro, what the freak? Yo,
It's a
Yeah, he's using mods.
No, it's just a soundboard.
No, it's not.
It's a
No, it's
soundboard,
not.
bro. It's just a soundboard. It's alright.
No. It's a sandboard.
Yeah, it's a soundboard.
Is it a sandboard?
A sandboard?
Is it a sandboard? Is it a sandboard? Yeah. Are you hacking?
Who did that?
Nope.
See, he's not hacking. See? Cool voice. Wait, say something cool. Say something cool. Wait, can you do the Fortnite dance? Can you do the Fortnite dance?
Nope.
Bow,
Can you
Can you hit me?
like a different sound from the ones you've been doing? Say skibbity toilet. Say skibbity toilet. Boy,
Can I tag you?
dang it. I tried to
Can I
make it.
tag you purple? The light, I mean dark purple. Cause I don't know how to.
Do that sound effect every time you hit somebody. Do the slip one. Do the slip one. Do the slip one.
Nope.
Wait.
Okay.
You can do long motions. Well, this is fun. Okay. Tag me. Tag me. It's cool. Come here.
What the?
Nope.
Why you not tag?
You never even tell me. Do the funniest song.
Woo!
Do the funniest one.
Oh. Yeah, we're good.
Funniest. Do the funniest one. He said
No!
No!
Do the funniest one.
I hit my pinky cause you.
How does everybody have long
Guys, my pinky hurt.
Everybody's got long arms.
And my head hurt.
Yep.
Yo, do the most funniest.
Too bad. Wet. Hello, motherfucker.
What?
Stop searching for I actually get my uncle.
That is so I know
You know
Papa
my
had good,
uncle
but
is
he's just
right
not
here.
showing it.
He's been showing it, boy.
No, he hasn't. No, not that cowboy hat. That guy right
Jalen,
there.
if you over here, bye.
The cowboy hat, my death wall.
Bye, guys.
Oh, what?
I think he's just really good.
I'm leaving already, guys.
Why?
I'm gonna go start my content on Ari. I mean,
I'm here.
my
I'm
name
here.
is gonna be Queen Ari, and that's gonna be it's a fashionista stuff. So
Ooh.
yeah, Ari.
Hi. What? The? Yeah.
You feel like Jones? Like,
I don't know.
I don't know what
No. 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 Because I don't. What?
No, you did this. You did this. That's how you should.
Yeah, I know, but I mean over here. I did this. That's a joke. Why somebody? Actually, I did. No, I didn't. No, I fell down on purpose. No, it's called a juke.
What?
Fell on accident.
Yo, bro, chill. I'm a chill guy.
The best player in the lobby is tagged.
Bro, this tagline.
What the heck? No, you just joined. That's normal.
Yeah, I forgot. I kissed it.
Whoa!
My bow.
Whoa, yeah.
Hey, Max, he's
What the?
You're 2 years old.
Shit.
How we doing on this Super Saturday?
Yo, cowboy hat. You know who you are, man. Cowboy.
Nope.
Wait, what? What do you mean?
I got him.
Huh?
Not you.
What do I do?
I got him.
Woo!
Huh?
Over here.
Try juking me. I dare you. I dare you.
Oh!
Try juking me. I dare you. I dare you.
Try juking me. Dare you.
Why?
Because I want you to juke me.
Hello, motherfucker.
Scary motherfucker. Scary motherfucker. I'm so fucking scared.
Try getting. Try juking me. You're not. You know I suck at.
Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there.
I do too.
I am Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Not sure, buddy. You can just yes, just show yourself.
No.
Why did you juke me?
Because I went behind you while you were going in one direction away thinking I was there. And basically that's what I do. The end.
No, it's called following you.
Yeah, no!
No, I was following you. I did
I
it
was trying to put
once
it in the
at.
form of 5-year-old bedtime story.
Oh.
You
my
don't
God.
understand that, correct? Hey!
Huh?
You just go to the side. I could kinda
Do the whole
kinda
thing again and I
go
won't
to the
tag you.
side so it kinda- it doesn't work.
Huh?
Hi! I am full!
Nope.
What do you mean no?
No. No means no, boy.
What? Oh! Fuck.
Meow.
Hello there, young man.
Hello there.
Oh, come on. Hey, it's not fair. Hey, it's not fair, man. Hey, that's not
It's
fair.
weekend.
Whoa, you get
I like that.
Hey, what now?
That's funny, bro.
Samina, mina. Waka, waka,
Yeah, I'm like walking. Then my body's normal.
No!
What just happened?
The little monkey right there. Oh my goodness, I love him.
Anthony.
What?
What? What?
It's fine. Oh, there. It's fine. Look, not bad.
Wait.
And down
Dang
there
it.
where I started. Oh, that's not fair. Oh, that's not fair.
Are
You're
you
gonna
at?
play me. Hey, now.
No,
Whee!
oh, yeah, no, that's good.
Is there something wrong about
Yeah, I don't
you
see
now?
the character anymore.
Is it?
No, she's not on VR.
No, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just annoying.
Yeah.
Because I couldn't move, so literally.
No, sir.
Couldn't do
Hard. Yeah, harder.
Not.
anything. No,
Yeah.
it's a love monkey.
Lava monkey. Marco.
Oh my gosh.
Marco.
Hi, monkey. Hi, soundboard monkey. Hey, man, we're friends. Hey, man, we're friends.
Hello,
Hey, man, we're friends, right?
motherfucker.
No. Don't play that sound. Don't play that sound.
Bro, release his
Hey,
inner
what are you
monkey.
laughing at?
You. Boy.
Bye, mother. Something?
Mm.
Ah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'm coming with you.
Be walking. What?
It was literally so tough.
Widowy? That was widowy not fair, bro. Like,
You
widowy.
can't give me up here. I'm too fat. North down. North down. Hey, play the Lego breaking sound. Play the Lego breaking sound.
Tag me as a moderator.
Nope.
You don't have the Lego breaking sound?
Nope.
I'm a water. Aw, man, this is fun.
You're a water. He's a modder water. Report him. He's a modder water. He's a modder water. Modder water. Modder water. Oh, I got you, boy.
Hey guys, it's really not fun when you just.
My favorite Pokemon card is LeBron James.
Oh!
Huh?
No.
How'd you get that?